Hey you guys, this is Jason from SoCal Accessories. Today I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to install these side steps on a 2018 Honda Pilot. So it comes with these 3 brackets inside that you got to cut the zip tie for. It comes with 6 brackets total that you end up mounting on the bottom. So we'll be showing you guys any modifications that need to be done to install these steps. And we're going to be using Loctite to make sure like they don't come loose, not to the ones that go into the frame, but for the brackets, so that over time when people are stepping in and out of them, they don't start loosening up. All right, you guys, so we're putting 2 of these on so far. We're going to put the 3rd one. These brackets do matter where they go, so look at the instructions for that. I'll show you the sheet that this one came with. So the bracket does hit right here, so we Dremel this out. On the other side, it hit right here, so we Dremel this out slightly, and then the back one too, so you could see the OEM markings for where you're basically where you would cut out where the bracket's going to hit. And these are each held in with two 14s, and then you got the lock washer first and then the regular washer to both those. For this 3rd one, the hole doesn't line up right here, so we're going to drill it out a little bit with a drill bit. Alright you guys, so next, after you mount those 3 brackets to the frame, you guys have the 13 millimeters that go on each bracket. These things are adjustable, so you slide them wherever they need to be to line up with these 3 brackets that are on there. So we're leaving these loose for now till we line it up, because this side step could also be slid forward more or back more. It's all personal preference, like how far forward you want it, how far back you want it. So we're going to leave these loose so that we could play with this. And then I'm going to put these on right now, and we're going to leave these loose also, so we could see if we want the steps forward, like in more or out more. So when I put these, like you could see that these have play also, so we're going to leave them like hand tightened. These come with these type of washers, which shouldn't really come loose, but we're going to add Loctite just to these. These come with the lock washers, so we're not going to add it to those for the 13s. And then those came with a washer and lock washer also that go to the frame, so we're not going to add Loctite to those either. And then make sure you tighten all these bolts up. Alright you guys, and make sure you put these on the right way. I asked my brother to put them on for me. He put them on reversed. So the bracket is supposed to be facing this way towards this rubber gorment, because that's the part of the side step that's going to be up against here. So he mounted them facing the wrong way. So make sure you guys mount those the correct way. They should be facing inward, not outward. And this should be to the top. So make sure you guys face these the right way. They should be facing inward like this, not outward how he put them. Alright you guys, so the jack is helping to keep it up right now. And then if you guys want to make sure these are the same on both sides, you can measure, for example, from this mud flap to here. For mine, it's a 2-inch gap on this side, so I did the same as the other side. It's 2 inches from here to here, but it's all personal preference if you want to scoot it forward more or back more. And then make sure this rubber is sticking outward, that it doesn't get pinched down. And then besides that, I have it pulled outward all the way as much as it goes. So now that it's pulled out, so what I'm talking about is, like, as you've seen, the brackets have some play, and then this has some play to go more in or out. So everything's just hand tightened right now. It's pulled out as much as it goes, and I like the way it looks right there. So now I'm going to go ahead and tighten up these 13s. I'm going to add Loctite on these, not on these since these have the lock washers. I'm going to add a little bit of Loctite on the 6 of these, so 2, 4, 6. Before I tighten this, I'm going to put my phone as a level, with the level app, to make sure this is leveled either straight or slightly slanted upward before I start tightening everything up. I don't want them to be slanted downward. Alright you guys, so now that everything's tight, hopefully this video was helpful for you. Alright guys, so hopefully this video was helpful for you guys on how to install side steps on a 2018 Honda Pilot. Should be the same for 2016 to 2021. Alright you guys, and real quick, this is the instructions they give for the brackets. If the holes don't line up, like I said, you got to drill them out slightly. For these, that's the front of the vehicle. So the one with this arch right here goes towards the front. The biggest one goes to the middle. And then the only one that fits in the rear with this slant goes in the rear. Alright.